Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be doing an installation on this wall over here. I ordered a coat hanger because as you can see over here, this table with its chairs turns into a coat hanger. As you can see here, jackets always hang up on these chairs when we have friends and family over. So I'm gonna show you really quick what I ordered on Amazon. If you wanna check out this awesome product, I'll leave the link down in the description below for you so you can read the specs on it. But it's called a wall mount coat rack. It's an antique copper finish. And so this is the box here. I'm about to take it out and we are going to install it right over here on this wall, right over there. So between that picture and the light switch is where it's gonna go. So I took it out the box and this is what it comes with. I'm actually going to set it over here on this cloth. So this is the finish here. You get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 little areas that you can hook pieces of clothing, a coat, a hat, or even your keys onto this coat rack here. And this is what it looks like when you stand it up, and the side profile there. You can see the top prongs stick out more than the bottom ones, and everything is nicely rounded out. So you don't have any sharp edges. As you can see here, there's a smooth ball finish on each one of these prongs. And then this part here as well is nice and smooth. So it also comes with some mounting hardware. You're going to get these little mounts and the screws, and then it has these little pieces here, those little circle rings go underneath the screw as you're screwing in, so you can put these caps over it for a nice finish. So the caps would go there and right there. So that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and try to install this thing right over there. So most homes that I go to, I see the coat hanger roughly about 5 feet. That's usually like an optimal height for most coat hangers, which 5 feet would be right here at the top of this painter's tape line. But I'm gonna set it a little bit higher up to about 5.5 feet. So 5 feet, 6 inches, because here for me would be way too low. So I think right there would be just right. All right, to make my situation easier for mounting this, I put some very strong double back 3M taping on the back of this coat hanger. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this level, put it on the back here against the wall to make sure everything's level. I decided to go at the 5.5 foot mark there, and I marked off where the screws go and where the center is at in between the picture and the light switch / alarm system pad there. So I've got up there all nicely mounted now, and I didn't screw it in all the way. What's really holding up there right now is the double back taping. I have everything lined up with the studs. So there are many benefits of using the double back taping, in my opinion. You're able to put it up there without using any hands to keep it up there. And then you can also reposition it as long as you leave it there up slightly tacky and you don't push down firmly. So basically I would put it up there and make sure that it's nice and level. And then if you're happy where it's at, then you can go ahead and push down the base of it nice and firm. And then you can go ahead and put your screws in if you're satisfied with how level and where it's positioned at. As you can see here, I didn't screw in all the way because I want to show you how the screw needs to be situated. So you need to have that little sleeve right there so the cap can go on it and the screw goes through it.
Alright, all you have to do now is use your screwdriver and make sure that the screw is nice and flush. Just make it nice and tight and don't over tighten it. Then you're going to take your cap and put it right over that little sleeve or washer that goes through the screw.
So in regards to mounting this thing, it's up to you what you want to use, honestly. I'm just going to tell you what I did. You don't have to follow suit, but it actually comes with these anchors and these screws. And I actually didn't use any of this hardware. I only used a exterior screw right here, which this is a 1 5/8. And the only reason why I use this screw is because I actually found the stud and there's no reason for me to use this. I can just drill straight into and screw into the wood through the drywall, so it's nice and secure. And I also used some 3M double back taping, so it was easy just to mount it up there. It also creates some stability as far as the mounting strength, and then the screw really helps to secure it. I did use a little washer that is used for the cap, but other than that, I didn't use this. This is actually used for just straight up drywall. So you're gonna drill a little pilot hole, stick this in, hammer it in until it's flush, and then you'd stick the screw in there and screw it all the way through till it's at the base right here. And that would cause this piece to create an anchor by expanding. All right, we are all done. So it's mounted at about 5.5 feet, and I'll show you what it looks like going close up to it. And we're gonna go ahead and put some stuff on it so you can see how it works. So about 15 minutes later, I'm all done installing this awesome wall-mounted coat rack. It's really nice. It has a lot of mounting areas here on the top, and you can also put keys on it, as you can see here. And I got 2 jackets on here, this one and this one here. This one is actually mounted on this piece, and I can actually tug on it and it's not going anywhere. Same thing with this one here, doesn't go anywhere. And I'll show you what it looks like with these taken off. So that's that one. We'll just throw one on there, at the bottom, so you can see those. I hope you enjoyed today's quick video on how to mount this coat rack. If you want to check out this product again, I'll leave the link down in the description below for you. But please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.